Hi, in this quick video I will unbox the Lenovo Legion Slim 5 Gen 9 AI-powered gaming PC. The Legion Slim 5 is a high-performance gaming laptop designed for gamers and creators who need power in a portable package. Powered by AMD Ryzen 7000 series processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs, it delivers exceptional speed, efficiency, and graphical performance for demanding games and creative workloads. The laptop features a 16-inch WQXGA display with up to a 165 Hz refresh rate, providing smooth visuals and vibrant color accuracy, making it perfect for gaming and media experiences. The laptop weighs 2.3 kilograms, which makes it a bit heavy to carry around. However, if you don't need to take it with you every day, it should not be a problem. The top part of the laptop is made of aluminum, while the bottom part is constructed from a plastic and polycarbonate blend. My first impression is that although this Legion laptop is quite bulky, actually it feels sleek and durable. Moving on, it includes Lenovo's ColdFront 5 thermal technology, ensuring efficient cooling during intense gaming sessions. The keyboard is optimized for gamers with customizable RGB lighting and precision key response. Additionally, it offers a wide range of connectivity options, including USB-C, HDMI, and Wi-Fi 6E for a seamless experience. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing videos, or multitasking, the Legion Slim 5 Gen 9 strikes an excellent balance between performance, portability, and style, making it a great choice for gamers and professionals on the move. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.